Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can report people on Discord. So to begin with, you have to find the message of the person that you would like to send the report for. Touch and hold at this message. Should this message be from your private dialogues or DMs, or at any of the servers that you and this person share, it doesn't matter, just as long as you have the message to report the person for. Just touch and hold on it. Then among the options that we are presented at this pop-up window, go for the report, specify what you would like to report this account for, and submit your report. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.